Black holes create gravitational waves. When two black holes collide, they send ripples through spacetime known as gravitational waves. These waves were first detected in 2015 by the LIGO observatory, marking one of the most significant discoveries in modern physics. The event that produced these waves occurred over 1 billion light-years away, involving two black holes merging into one. Gravitational waves are unique in that they don't travel through space, they distort it. When these ripples pass through Earth, they cause minuscule changes in the distances between objects, which LIGO's incredibly sensitive instruments can measure. These detections have opened up a whole new way of studying the universe. The most exciting aspect of gravitational wave astronomy is its potential to reveal hidden objects. Black holes are invisible to telescopes because they emit no light, but their mergers produce gravitational waves that we can detect. This means we can now study black holes that were previously beyond our reach. Gravitational wave discoveries have already revealed black holes with unexpected masses and behaviors, challenging existing theories about their formation. This field is still in its infancy, but it's rapidly expanding our understanding of the cosmos.